Another good tongue twister that's often quoted is Sally sells Sally sells shells by the seashore. Thank you.
Hello, welcome today. Today we'll be looking at video and picture face swap. So we'll be making use of the CHIDF. This is just a standard rope application, just an extension, portable version of it. So it has other uses other than its real-time face swap, and that's what we'll be looking at today. You can use it to run picture face swap and video face swap. So it has the mouth marks enhancer feature and other features, but currently we just focus on selecting a picture that I want to face swap and the target we want to face swap to. For now, I'll be selecting this random picture and, as usual, our Will Smith. First, let's turn on our face enhancer. I want to turn it on. You see the use, it increases the quality of the output quality. So let's click on start. So it's going to tell us to save the file. So I'll be saving it directly to my desktop as output. So start. So currently that's giving me the output. So let's open it. You see, it has not run the enhancement yet. I just want to show you before it completes its process. It has not run the enhancement. Yes, let's cancel. So currently, if you look at the CMD, you see that it's progressing. It's trying to run face enhancer there. So processing to image succeed. So let's open the same picture again. So we're able to change the Will Smith's face that we had earlier to this guy's face using this application. Easy. So that's how easy it is. So we'll be looking at video, running a video face swap. You can also use it for a video face swap. So for this, I'll be using this picture, the face one. Let me select the face one. And there's this video I just downloaded from, let's select video file. So video I just downloaded from YouTube. So we'll be face swapping this video. That's the intro video you saw. Let me play the video, let's see.
Another good
This is the
tongue twister
original
that's
video.
often quoted is Sally sells shells by the seashore.
So that's the original video, yeah? And that's what we uploaded here. Make sure we turn on our face enhancer in order for us to improve quality and start. So we are going to save this as swapped. Let's just save the file as swapped. So we're saving it to our desktop screen. So it's going to start by extracting frames. So this is going to take some time, yeah. So this might take some time depending on your system graphics card. So after that is complete, we have you're going to see the output, which is our swapped video, our swap video. So like I did, this is the
Another
original
good
video.
tongue twister that's often quoted is Sally sells shells by the seashore. Thank you.
So after our processing using our
Another
application,
good
this is our
tongue
swap
twister
face.
that's often quoted is Sally sells shells by the seashore. Thank you, and I'll see you, man.
So that's how it is. It's as easy as that, making it. That's one of the features of using, and not just only live, you can do that. The end. Thanks for watching.